What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save it. How to make A-Spot Orgasms. The A-Spot. The A-Spot is situated around 2 to 4 inches within the vagina. This zone is never again spongy, however has to a greater degree a smooth feeling. Not at all like the G-spot that is just situated on the front mass of the vagina. The A-Spot is delicate right around. The A-Spot is situated in the most profound pieces of the vagina just before the cervix. The back of the A-Spot is slightly more profound in light of the fact that this piece of the vagina is tilted. Incitement to the front and sides of the A-Spot is entirely pleasurable to a lady. Incitement of the back of the A-Spot can likewise be pleasurable, yet might feel strange to her from the start. A few ladies disclose incitement to the back of the A-Spot practically like butt-centric sex from the start, however delight gets extremely serious once she's utilized to it. As a general guideline, you would prefer not to contact a lady's cervix, it might be truly awkward for her. The cervix is simply over the A-Spot, and some portray it as saying it wants to contact a nose within her. It might stand out a piece and feel firmer than the territory around it. You need to set aside the effort to give her an A-Spot vaginal orgasm before sex even begins, so she is delicate and multi-orgasmic once sex begins. You will invigorate her A-Spot legitimately using your finger. Direct incitement to the A-Spot will give her a groundbreaking orgasm.